You have an e-commerce shop and you want to try video marketing, but now you're faced with a big problem. Video production is difficult, time-consuming, and expensive. Viosk is the solution to this problem, an innovative solution for creating video ads. The simplest way to use Viosk is to manually create video ads through our platform. On Viosk.com, you can find the style you like, add your logo, content, and voiceover narration, and produce the video in a simple click. From there, you can download the video ad and post it to social networks, or we can promote your video for you. But what if you have too many products to create videos for manually? This is why we've developed our video creation automation solution so that you can automatically create as many videos as you want. All you need to do is to install our integration on your website. Then, you simply choose a video style and click Produce Video on your product page. That's all. A video ad is created in a couple clicks. You can then have the video appear on your product page or share it to your YouTube channel and social networks. With our video ads, you can reach a bigger audience and keep them engaged with your message. Your YouTube presence will generate more leads and your business will grow. Fill out the form after the video so that we can contact you with more information.